never even seen that they had an energy drink, though. Flavor is great. Dog shit. Dog shit flavor choice on my end. Tastes like cough medicine. That's a plus for me, by the way, if that may have seemed like a negative. I like the taste of cough medicine. That's a plus. Yeah. Like when I had the flu when I was a kid, tastes just like it. Just like grape cough medicine. It's like nostalgic almost. Fuck. Still not as good as the root beer. I'm getting blinded by the nostalgia here. It's just, this is the only grape flavor that works is when it tastes like they full lean into the artificial grape. This one's good. Not as good as that. I'm going to give this one a 7.